Okay, in this time I want to review about my flashlight after 5 years use. This is a nice flashlight. You can see there is some scratch, some reds here, but this condition is normally, this is a normally it can be used. It's very nicely. You can imagine this is 5 years, 5 years use, and this is nice. It's nice. This is a T6 LED. You can see this is a T6 LED. And it's very bright though. And I use non-authentic battery. This is a battery. This battery is from broken laptop. There is a broken laptop. I use it, and it is very nice. It still work, and 1 hour maybe, and this is work and nice. It's a nice thing. This is from steel. This is from steel and aluminum. This is good, and there is zoomable too, and still is good. It's still good after 5 years use. And thank you for watching my YouTube, and good night for you all.